So now we'll have a quick look at the different applications that come as standard with the scroll. Now I'm going to be using the stylus. As I say, I just prefer this on screens like this for moving around. It's not necessary, as you saw. I've been using my finger for it pretty well. The only thing is you have to press down. I just find the stylus a little bit more precise, that's all. And the one thing to say, it's not a stylus where you can't write on the screen. It's simply for navigation. So if I click on there again. So now, first thing is, we've looked at the browser, so let's have a look at the calculator. Click on there, and I like this. It's a big calculator, no messing about, no fiddling around with anything. We just click on that to clear it. 9.6. This is great. If you want to be able to do, you're adding things up, this is fantastic. Lovely. I really do like this. Maybe me of simple means, but it's great. You know, it's a really good desktop calculator. We have here with it an advanced panel as well that gives us lots of different other options, such as square roots, pi, and bits and pieces like that. Whether you use it, I don't know. So go back. So now the calendar, again, fairly straightforward. Time is as you've seen a million times on these things. We have just to scroll down. If we click menu again, we have other options. So we can see an agenda view. We can see it by month, and add a new event, see today, and then we have an option for more as well here, which is to look at my calendars. Now, my calendars, again, these can be pulled from our Google account, so we can actually amalgamate those. Really good, really nice way of working. And if we wish to add a new event, again, we can press M, add new event, and then we just go through all these different screens here to put our information in for the event. And again, if you've linked that up to an account, that will be uploaded when you next sync to your Google account. Very good. I like it. I'm done. So that is the calendar. One of the things that I really like that the scroll comes with is the YouTube pre-installed player. Now, I use this on my desktop, I use it on my smartphone, and on here as well. And we simply get into it, click on. Now, this is the mobile screen that you get, or the player screen, I should say. If you do have a Google account, you can log in as well through this and get access to all your playlists, subscriptions, and what have you. Just to show you how it plays back, again, we're over Wi-Fi. Quick connection up. I don't know if you can pick up the quality on the camera. Hopefully you can. Now, but one thing that does really stand out is how smooth the playback is on here, and it is really, really good. So I really like it for that. Let's watch him kick that all the way, and let's go back. So again, as I say, we have the standard thing, and it's a nice. I really like this. It's a nice interface, to be honest. So that's the YouTube player. Right, let's have a look at the music app now. Click on there, straight in. And now if you have an SD card in, it will automatically scan the SD card and bring the music back. We have playlists that we can set up. Here we've just got songs in, albums, or artists. Now, just to let you have a listen to what it sounds like, if we just click on this one by Spandau Ballet. So it's actually not bad quality, to be honest. Not that the number of times I think that you'll be actually listening to it through the speakers. possibly not that often, and certainly more through the headphones, I would say, especially if you're taking it with your mobile. But yeah, it's pretty good, and we have the options here again for shuffle and repeat, and it just lists up, you know, the album, the artist, and what have you on here. So that's fairly good. And we also have the options here, the menu options. Again, it says party shuffle, you know, shuffling off, and you can play all of the tracks on the SD card or on the actual device system itself. So that is the music player, the music app. Again, you can load other different ones through applications, downloads and stuff if you want something different. Now, if we go to apps again, what I want to show you is the ebook reader application. This is again the one that comes pre-installed. You can download your own if you prefer to. This one seems fairly good though. Now, options that you do have for this are to be able to set up the library. You can also bookmark or network library. This is an online library that you may be using. You can bookmark parts within some text, and even search within the text, which is quite good. I do also like this. If you're reading this at night or you're traveling or somewhere, you can actually select this, which makes the, again, white on black text, and basically doesn't have the light glowing up to put other people, other travellers off. I quite like that option. I think it's good thought in it. Any other options that we have, again, we can rotate the screen. We've got settings in there and zoom in and out to navigate to somewhere. Yeah, it's really good. I mean, for instance, on book info, it gives any information with the title, language it's in, and such forth. So that is the ebook reader that we have pre-installed with the scroll. Other applications, these the inbuilt Facebook app. This gives us things like a news feed. You can take a photograph where you are or something, friends, photos and notifications. Again, standard Facebook stuff that you'll generally use on a tablet, to be honest. So that's another one of the applications there.